This AI watches your work and creates step-by-step guides automatically. Scribe AI is a tool that records your on-screen actions, then automatically generates a visual step-by-step guide with screenshots and captions. To get Scribe for free, we have a button here onto the middle part of their website. You need to go ahead and create an account to get redirected here onto their dashboard wherein you could go ahead and see all of the files that you've made. And for you to be able to start using Scribe, just head onto your Chrome Web Store and search for the extension Scribe AI Documentation, SOPs, and Screenshot. Just simply add this to Chrome to go ahead and use this onto your device. And once you have installed that, you can now start using Scribe onto your device. For example, we're going to use it in here. So we have the extension here. You need to pin this onto the top so that you could use it. Click on Start Capture to begin. So this time we'll try to go ahead and add a file here onto our drive. So we're going to go ahead and drag and drop a file here, and this should go ahead and upload it here. So once it is uploaded, just go ahead and complete the capture here and Scribe will complete it for you. So we'll just have to wait for it. And as you can see, Scribe will open a new tab in here, providing you the clean guide in under 1 minute on what you did on a specific site. So you could go ahead and edit the steps here, add notes, then share your guide here as a link, embed it in a web page, or export to PDF for training documents. Free plan is currently available and we're using it, and paid plan here starts at around $12 per month with branding, security, and advanced team features. So feel free to browse onto their billing or plans to go ahead and see which one suits you best. Pros for this, it saves hours on documentation, easy sharing, clean visuals, and its cons, it works best on desktop and limited to offline use. This is ideal for trainers, onboarding, SOP creation, and anyone who needs to explain processes fast, not essential if you rarely document workflows. By using this, you could turn any process into a guide in minutes. Link in the description if you want to use Scribe.